Hi, I'm Kay Thompson with Team Armand and EXP Realty, and our team is excited to present this brand new listing and my favorite listing at 690 Wickham Ridge Road, Apex, North Carolina, in this highly desirable community of Pemberley. This light and bright townhome has over 1,500 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and has been highly maintained by not only the homeowner, but by the Homeowners Association. In recent months, they've painted the exterior of the home and added fresh landscaping in the front. The home is actually situated towards the end of the road for maximum privacy and is minutes away from 540, Highway US 1, and downtown Apex. So if you're looking for a cozy, low-maintenance home that has all the bells and whistles, this is a must-see. Let's go inside. The home interior features this gorgeous kitchen island, stainless steel appliances, a gas stove. It has wide plank flooring, upgraded lighting, and glass doors that were added to the front and rear entryways to let the sun shine in. And my favorite part of this home is the outside that has been professionally landscaped with a private tree line. The patio has been extended with pavers, there's stepping stones, and flower beds for your relaxation after a hard day's work. If you would like to see this home, please reach out to us directly. I'm Kay Thompson with Team Armand, and all you gotta do is pick up that phone and let's talk.